I've been a chef at Sandals Ochi for almost 2 years now. It is a company that really promotes growth, and it provides opportunity for young chefs that wants to elevate and grow in their career as a chef. We have 16 gourmet restaurants here at Sandals Ochi. One of the main things that many guests really sought after here is our Jamaican oxtail, which is served at the Manor restaurant on the Manor side. At our Le Gourmand breakfast restaurant, that's one of our a la carte breakfast restaurants, we have ackee and saltfish as a local dish that is served every morning for breakfast. Fried plantain is something that we also can get every day. We fried it first, then we press it, and then we refried it again, so it's double fried. And then we just garnish it with some fresh parsley. That's it. Also, here we have some barbecue wings. But if you look at it, you realize it's not the normal wing style that we are used to. We use some culinary skills to get it looking like this. Okay, then we just marinate it with some nice local spices, some pimento, thyme, garlic, onion, salt and pepper, and then we just bake it in the oven halfway, and then we just dip it in some barbecue sauce and have it bake again, and this is the finished product. And over here we have some escovitch fish and some fried bami. Just some pickled veg. We use some carrots, some onions, and on the side I have a piece of lime just to cleanse your palate of that fishy taste when you're finished. As long as we have a guest here and it is something that they really enjoy, they can just request it and we have it done for them, because it is local and it is something that we always have here in stores. So all our spices, our vegetables are all grown locally.